Welcome back to Trending Videos Travel. Today we're diving into one of the most nerve-wracking experiences for new parents, flying with a newborn. Let's face it, just the thought of managing airport chaos, in-flight crying, and endless packing lists can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, with the right tips, you can handle this like a pro and even enjoy the journey. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through planning your trip, packing essentials, surviving the flight, and avoiding common mistakes. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip that can make a huge difference. Let's get started. Successful travel starts with thoughtful planning. Here are the essentials. First, pick the right time. Choose flights that align with your baby's natural sleep schedule. Overnight flights or early morning departures can make the journey more manageable, as your little one might sleep through much of it. Second, direct flights are best. Whenever possible, book direct flights to avoid the hassle of layovers. If a layover is unavoidable, ensure you have enough time to navigate between gates and accommodate diaper changes or feeding sessions. Third, reserve a bassinet seat. Many airlines offer bassinets for long-haul flights. Call ahead to reserve one as they're typically first come, first served. This can give you a hands-free moment during the flight. When flying with a baby, your diaper bag becomes your lifeline. Here's a detailed checklist of what you'll need. In the diaper bag, diapers. Pack enough for the flight plus a full day's backup in case of delays. Wipes and a changing pad. Compact and easy for quick diaper changes. Clothing. Bring 2 extra outfits for the baby and 1 for yourself. You never know when spills or leaks will happen. A baby blanket. A versatile item for warmth, privacy, or even as a makeshift nursing cover. Plastic bags for used diapers or soiled clothes. Feeding essentials. Bottles and pre-measured formula or expressed breast milk. Check TSA guidelines for carrying liquids. A nursing cover if you're breastfeeding. Snacks or baby food for older infants. Comfort and entertainment. Pacifiers to soothe your baby and help with ear pressure during takeoff and landing. A few lightweight toys or books to keep them entertained. Airports can be a daunting part of the journey, but these tips will help. First, arrive early. Give yourself plenty of time to check in, go through security, and address any unexpected needs. Second, use the family lane. Most airports offer family or priority lanes that make the security process smoother. If you're carrying breast milk or formula, let TSA know. They'll screen it separately without hassle. Lastly, wear your baby. A baby carrier allows you to navigate the airport hands-free and keeps your little one close and secure. You can often keep your baby in the carrier during security checks, which makes the process quicker. Once you're on the plane, it's all about staying ahead of your baby's needs. For takeoff and landing, feed your baby during these times to help with ear pressure. Nursing, bottle feeding, or even offering a pacifier can make all the difference. For in-flight comfort, if your baby gets fussy, try gentle rocking, walking up and down the aisle, or engaging them with toys. Babies often pick up on your mood, so staying calm and relaxed can help soothe them. To encourage sleep, dim the overhead lights, use noise-canceling headphones or a white noise app, and bring your baby's favorite blanket to recreate a cozy sleep environment. Let's learn from common travel mistakes. First, overpacking. You don't need to bring everything you own. Stick to essentials and avoid heavy, unnecessary items. Second, skipping backup plans. Delays can happen. Always have extra diapers, food, and clothes just in case. Lastly, ignoring your needs. Parents often forget to care for themselves. Stay hydrated, eat snacks, and take a breather if you feel overwhelmed. A happy parent makes for a happier baby. Flying with a newborn may seem daunting, but it's also a chance to create unforgettable memories as a family. By planning ahead, packing wisely, and staying calm, you can enjoy the journey and focus on what really matters, spending time together. If this guide helped ease your travel worries, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Trending Videos Travel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more family travel tips. Have you traveled with a baby before? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below.